Welcome to the Spooky Hour, your podcast about paranormal phenomena and spooky legends worldwide.
2 weeks ago, I received this exciting email from Hollywood producers, but she asked us if we wanted to take part in the physical production of the documentary.
Right this way.
I want to produce a documentary about the curse of the Wooden Devil.
I'm here in Rootwood Forest with Aaron, Jess, and myself.
So the first person that was rumored to have gone missing in this forest was a little girl and her dog. And they found her hanging. They said it was the Wooden Devil and convinced her to hang herself.
That thing was in our trailer?